What is the ecosystem? Ecosystem is a system formed by the interaction between living organisms, biotic components, and non-living components, abiotic components, such as water, soil, air, temperature, and sunlight in a specific area. All these components interact and influence each other, forming a uneven whole. Components of an ecosystem. An ecosystem consists of two main components. 1. Biotic components. These are living organisms, such as plants, animals, and microorganisms. All these living organisms interact within a system that depends on one another. 2. Abiotic components. There are non-living or inanimate factors, such as water, air, soil, sunlight, temperature, and minerals. These components affect the survival of living organisms within the ecosystem. Types of ecosystem. Ecosystem can be classified based on their location or environmental characteristic, including terrestrial ecosystem, ecosystem found on land, such as tropical rainforests, grassland, desert, and mountains. Aquatic ecosystem. Ecosystem found in water, including freshwater, and marine ecosystem, coral reefs, coastal ecosystem. Artificial ecosystem. Ecosystem created and managed by humans, such as urban parks, fish ponds, and rice fields. Processes in ecosystem. Production process. Autotrophic organisms or green plants perform photosynthesis with the help of sunlight to produce energy in the form of glucose. This process also generates oxygen, which is needed by other organisms. Consumption process. Heterotrophic organisms, animals and humans, consume plants or other animals to obtain energy. Decomposition process. Microorganisms or bacteria and fungi break down dead organisms into simple compounds, which return to tilled soil and are used by plants as nutrition. Food chain and food web. Food chain, a sequence of eating relationship between organisms in an ecosystem, starting from products or plants to consumes or animals. Example of food chain: plants, herbivores, carnivores. Food web are more complex network of interconnected food chains. For example, one organism might be preyed upon by more than one predator. Nutrition cycles in ecosystem. Nutrition in an ecosystem don't disappear but continuously move and change forms through various cycles. Some important nutrition cycles are water cycles, that movement of water through evaporation, condensation, and precipitation that occurs continuously. Carbon cycle, the movement of carbon from the atmosphere into plants, animals, and back into atmosphere through respiration, combustion, and decomposition. Nitrogen cycle, the process of nitrogen being processed in the soil, absorbed by plants, and returned to the atmosphere. Ecosystem balance. Ecosystem balance occurs when the components of the ecosystem work harmoniously. If one component is disturbed, that ecosystem balance will also be disturbed. Examples of ecosystem imbalance include pollution, deforestation, and illegal hunting, which can lead to species extinction.